Hello Flutter developers, let me show you how easy it is to customize your app launch screen in Android. It's a screen that shows up briefly when your application first launches. It sets the stage for your application while allowing time for the app engine to load and your app to initialize. In this video, I will be using this image here as our launch image for our app. In step 1, define your desired launch background color in the resources block in styles.xml. This is the file that you're talking about. So you add this background color to the file. So you just copy the color here. Copy. Go to values, styles.xml. Under resources, you add that color. Also, on value dash nights, you add that color too and save. And yeah, we are done with step 1. So we go to step 2, which is save your launch underscore image.png to the folder mipmap underscore hdpi. So this is the file structure and this is the image we are talking about. So I've already added my image. My image is already in the required directory, the launch image. So I can quickly proceed to step 3. In step 3, we will add the color defined in styles.xml as an item in the layer list block of the launch underscore background.xml files in drawable folder. So we'll also be adding the image, the launch image. We'll also be configuring this image in the launch background.xml files. So let me go to drawable launch background.xml. So we'll be adding our launch image here and also the color for our background. We'll be ignoring this white color for now. So just ignore, comment that one out. Insert your color. So the color we are using for this is we have already defined it in the styles.xml file. Copy that, paste there. That's the color for the background also, and comment the item. So this is our launch image and it will be centered on the application launch screen. Save that. So we will also update the launch background on this other drawable folder. So uncomment the item like that and comment out that color and insert your custom color here, which is this one. Copy that color. Is the same color we'll be using. Paste. This color we defined in styles.xml. Make sure the indentation is the same. So this is the color we defined here, launcher underscore background. It's in hex and it's what we are referring as launcher background there as a color, drawable color. And this launch image is exactly this one here. Make sure everything is saved. Let's run the application and see whether it shows the icon, the launch screen image. Just before I can run the application, I will run Flutter clean so as to remove previous builds. I have now added my connected device, the Redmi 6, and this is where I'll be running the application to check whether the launch screen is added, and I'll record the screen and append it somewhere in this video.